Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Fenton RP165 record player with Bluetooth. To use it with Bluetooth, you would need to first get your device ready that you want to connect with Bluetooth. You can see right here I have my phone ready. I have Bluetooth turned on and it's currently searching for devices, but it won't find any because I need to first turn the record player on. Since the Bluetooth module and the amplifier is built into the record player, not into the speakers, it's built into the turntable. You need to turn it on here because the speakers are passive. Now also the second dial, this one, needs to be turned to the left to Bluetooth, and the diode should be blinking blue. Now I'll try to disable and enable Bluetooth on my device and we'll see if we discover the speaker. Yeah, there's Fenton record player. I can click on it. It is connected. It played a little tone of connection, and now if I were to play anything, I should be able to do it. So let's try to play something. Yeah, let's try to get maybe this one. Just gonna skip the ad. Yeah, and as you can see, it is on. I'm gonna turn the volume on my device, and as you can see, it works. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.